I'm Chef Jasper, and today I've got something special that'll make your Nonna proud. We're making chocolate ricotta pot de crème. That's right, sounds kind of fancy. And let me tell you, this ain't your average run-of-the-mill dessert. This is a dessert. You're gonna grab a small saucepan, heat up that half a cup of milk over medium heat. That's all, just till it starts to do a little dance. I like that. You know, just begins to simmer. Don't boil it. I'm telling you right now, we're not making pasta water here. Take it off the heat, then you throw in those beautiful semi-sweet chocolate chips. Get the good kind, the ones that actually taste like chocolate. And you stir it until it's all melted and smooth, just like velvety. Oh man, I love that. Next up, grab your blender or your food processor and you put in the 1 cup of the whole milk ricotta cheese, the 1/4 cup of sugar, not too much, we want the chocolate to shine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that little pinch of salt. Then here's the trick. You pour in that warm chocolate mixture right into the blender and you blend it till it's silky and creamy. Oh, it's gonna look so good. You'll wanna just dive right into it, believe me. But we have one more step. You take that beautiful mixture and you divide it up nice and even among some small ramekins or your serving glasses. Then you gotta put them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until they set. Don't rush it. Now, good things come to those who wait, especially when it comes to dessert. And when they're ready, oh boy, you serve them up, topped with a dollop of fresh whipped cream and some raspberries. Trust me, this is one dessert you're gonna wanna try and your family is going to love. Oh, I cannot wait to just start eating this. I'm telling you, it looks like you've been in the kitchen for hours. And let me tell you something, quick, easy, I don't think it gets any better. It's something I would be proud and honored to serve my family. Jasper's Kitchen is brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.